Check that out, dude. Check that out. Alright guys, now today we are doing something a little bit different. Actually going rock fishing. I'll throw a picture on the screen for you. It's not a big fish, but I mean, hey, it's fun to fish for him. And Christian is also joining us today. So hopefully we'll be able to get something. Guys, basically where we are going to be fishing is right at the edges of these rocks. Now the things that we are going to be using for bait is going to be these snails right here. I mean, usually the rockfish love him. Okay guys, Christian got one. Very, it's not that big of a one, but I mean, first fish for the day, so. Okay guys, we got one. And he is jumping crazy. Oh man. No. We got one. Okay guys, he actually got off my hook and I had to catch him, but I mean, here he is now. There you guys go. Just gonna let him go again. Hey. Okay guys, I actually got another one. Yet again a very small one. There you go. Not a very big one, but I mean, at least it's something. Alright guys, Christian also got one. I was actually rebaiting my hook and he got one. There you go. Alright guys, now we actually moved spots. We're gonna try to catch some fish here. Oh man! Woo! Massive. No! No! I don't know if you guys saw it, but that was a huge fish. I just had him and he took my bait. Alright guys, Christian also caught one. I just turned off the camera after my big one got off, but he caught one. There we go. Okay guys, got another one. And a very small one. That's really not a big one at all, but at least it's something. Alright guys. Oh man, got another one. And there he goes. Okay, but at least Christian got his.
Tiny one.
But both of these fishes, they weren't really that big. They were about medium, I would say. Okay guys, another one. Yet again, not a very big one, but I'll take it. Oh, I got one. Usually when they jump around like that, they just get off somehow. And Christian also got one. Man, just fish everywhere. Alright guys, there he is. Not that big of a one, but luckily it isn't, you know, very small one. Luckily. Oh! Holy moly! Go! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Oh! Boom! Dude, that's a big one. Hey guys, take a look at that thing. That is a rockfish. King clip, baby. I mean, against my hand, that's how big it pretty much is. That's definitely the biggest one we've caught today. I mean, most of the fish were medium to small size, but I mean, that has to be a big one.
Let's give it a release.
Maybe I can catch him if you can do it again. There he goes. Okay guys, another one. Yet again, quite a small one. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of disappointed. I thought it was a big one. But I mean, yeah. That thing is so small it can even fit into my hand. Oh man!
What did
Take a look at that, guys.
What did you say?
I manifested that. I just told you guys that there has to be big ones in here. And boom. Alright guys, just when I turned off the camera, not not that big. I mean, this one is not as big as mine. Check a look at this one. Holy moly, guys. I mean, against my hand, you can see that's quite a big fish. Take a look at that, guys. Whoa. Okay. Alright guys, Christian caught another one. Yet again, a small one. Looks like this guy caught a big one. Now he's catching small ones like I did for a long time. Something biting here. Quite a small one, but I mean, I'll take it. Okay, Christian caught another one. Not a big one, but yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that's quite a tiny one. Okay guys, well, while I was actually, oh no. Alright guys, here's the one. He actually went in under a rock and we had to actually get him out.
There's their spines. I don't know if you can see them, that needle.
Yeah, that's actually poisonous right up here. But that's also, I mean, he's not as big as the one I just caught and the one he caught a while ago. But that's a pretty nice one, I would say. Man, this dude, he just keeps on catching fish. I turned off the camera and he pulled one out. Yeah, guys. Oh. Okay, there goes mine, but Christian got a very big one. Holy moly.
Guys, sorry, this is a good.
Check that out. Holy moly.
Look at that thing smells. Giant. Let's get those.
Whoa! Oh man, I thought it was a big one, but yet again quite a small one. Right, guys, Christian got another one.
These things are
I mean, these fish, you catch them easily, but to get a big one, that's actually the hard thing. Alright guys, Christian just got the biggest one of the day, I would say. Take a look at that. Okay, that's just a joke, guys. Really big. Okay guys, got another one. He actually came off himself. Come on, man. Here we go. Alright guys, got another one. Alright guys, Christian also got one. And there's a whole bunch of fish under this rock. That's all I'm gonna say. They are freaking everywhere. Oh!
Holy moly!
Check that out, dude. Check that out. Guys, I think this one might be bigger than the other one I just caught a while ago. Like guys, check that thing out. That's a big fish. Alright guys, he caught another one. That's also not a small one, that's freaking big actually. Not that big, but... Okay, another one, not that big, but I'll take it, guys. Oh man, he got off, he got off.
Oh yeah.
Okay guys, that's quite a nice one we just caught. Man, I literally had one right now as well. Alright guys, well, we are done fishing for the day. My GoPro's battery is pretty much about to die. And the wind is coming up, so fish, I don't think we're gonna be biting that much. But me and Christian, we caught a whole bunch of fish today. And also, if you guys want to see more fishing videos, I'll definitely make some in the future.